for each country, and then we have a meeting later. Good morning, everyone. Is everyone of your team here?
One of our member is still not come yet.
He's late.
Yeah.
Okay, let's call him now for the meeting.
Okay.
Okay, good morning, everyone. The reason today I calling you all in to meeting is because Ikea is our company. It's a multinational group company, and also ready to sell assemble home appliances and also furnitures to others. But as we know that most of the country are having Ikea company in the country, but there's also some of the country that haven't have IKEA company to go inside. So the reason I call you in is to explain to me based on your analysis which country is suitable for our company to go inside and have a business. Okay. So let's begin your brainstorming.
So, okay, based on due to the condition of the slides, I will present it based on my laptop. Okay. I guess the country of Philippines is the best country to do expansion of IKEA based on the country analysis, which is faster, consists of politics, economy, social, technology, legal, and environment. Okay, political analysis. Political analysis is all about how and what degree of intervention of government in the country or economy. Philippines is a multiracial tribes and ethnic. The practice of democracy makes this country as a suitable country to expand the IKEA. And for economics, economic performance that directly impacts an organization and have echo for the long run effect. IKEA have priced their wares conservatively. On the business side, IKEA is influenced by a strong and weak dollar. I mean, the stronger the dollar, the more US brand can lose money. So, but luckily the economy has changed recently. For the social, IKEA deliver what is appropriate per location and scrub out anything that isn't fit to be in the marketing of each country. And there are rise of population for the Philippines during the year of 2050 until now. And based on the technology in the Philippines, it has introduced latest IT development into the country, and most of them has the cell phone with the internet. So the IKEA have the chance to open the branch because everyone are using their phone and can shop pay for online. And for the legal in Philippines, IKEA must follow an abundance of law and regulation in every country they operate. A foreign corporation is asked to require to obtain a license to doing the business in Philippines. And the failure to obtain the license will prevent the foreign corporation from having the business and from invoking Philippines law. And the last one, the environment. The environment factor are related to the environmental and ecological aspect that affect the demand of company products and how the business operate. And this includes the natural environment, climate, pollution, and natural resource. But our company, which is IKEA, is invest in eco-friendliness because we have put more than 1 billion towards renewable energy in poor nation. And Philippines are complying to governing the environmental protection, make it suitable for IKEA to cooperate with the country. Okay, that's all for my analysis. Thank you.
Let's start with present.
Okay. Now I will start my video now. So I think partnering can, as a way to join into the market at Filipina. So partnering is establishing a long-term win-win relationship based on mutual trust and teamwork. Like partnering can be two people or more than that can join together the new market into Filipina. So the tips for making a business partnership work. One of the tips for making a business partnership work is choose the people you are going to work with. Like we can choose with our family, friends, like we can be more comfortable with them, like because we know each other. The second way is choose a partner with complementary skill. Like I have a marketing skill and she has a financing skill, so she can help me to count the amount of the account. So we know the amount of the company is positive or negative. So what is the types of foreign business? One of the type of foreign business is business associated. Second one is business advisor. Like business advisor, every business need people to as their advisors because they need to hear from them some advice to continue for the process of the business. So I think the advantage of the partnering is can increase the funding of the new market to like join into the Philippines because like partnering they can give the funds to the business. The second one is build the capacity, and the third one is opportunity to reach new market and sectors. Like example for Ikea, their first outlet is at KL. Then the second one is Johor, and now it's at Penang. So they will increase the outlet for to the others country.
Hey, why are you late? You are not doing our work.
Next, I'm going to present on the strategy that I want to propose, which is wholly owned subsidiary. Wholly owned subsidiary is when the company and its common stock are 100% owned by another company, which also referred as the parent company. These are the four main factors why Philippines is the best country for us to expand our business. The first one is to ensure the future growth of Ikea. Philippines has a stable politics, strong economic, and the increase in demand in terms of furniture. The second factor is Philippines have a strong economic performance. Philippines ranked the 19th in the Asia Pacific region in terms of the economic performance. The second one, Philippines annual economic growth increased by 5% in average, and the growth in gross domestic product increased by 6.4 in the first quarters. The third factor is political factor. Philippines has a secure integrity system where death penalty are charged to those who commit crime. And the last one is Philippines have rich in culture and tradition. Philippine culture are influenced from foreign countries, which is from Spanish and America. The second one is Philippines have rich in culture and tradition because of foreign influence from Spanish and America. Apart from that, Philippines is the world's largest English-speaking country. And the last one is Philippines has a good hospitality facilities. So every strategy comes with pros and cons. The advantages of this strategy is this company are able to cut transportation costs and also delivery turnaround time. The second one, company could increase competitiveness, and the last one, this strategy will boost up the profit and lower cost through economy of scale. And the disadvantages of this strategy is as company getting bigger, top management are not able to manage the overall process of production. And as parent company need to borrow some capital expenditure, this increases the amount of company debt. That's all from me.
To enter a new foreign market, which is Philippines, I think strategic alliance is one of the country that deserves to be highlighted. Okay, this is because, as you can see, the strategic alliance can be essential social integration, training, and thereby strategic advantage in sustainable business environment. It is important to handle the alliance and generating standard in order to maintain significant advantage in the strategic alliance. Not just that, alliance play a vital role in company survival, offering access to important resources that encourage competitive advantage in modern dynamic economic environment to be developed and preserved. Okay, strategic alliance offer a lot of benefits to IKEA. By involved in strategic alliance, we can work together to improve the expertise of future success. For companies to get maximum benefit from this information, knowledge and management is crucial. Ikea must arrange and ensure that its waste properly distributed to those involved in alliance information and use. Therefore, Ikea can choose to do alliance with other organizations and combine their knowledge and resources in order to sell products effectively. Ikea has the privilege of being able to save on production costs, construction costs, and raw material. This is because by do strategic alliance with the local company know better where to get the raw material with a lower cost. However, IKEA strategic alliance also offer risks to IKEA that we must taken measure. Due to the high concentration of trust in the network, the role player performance evaluation, profit sharing, and risk management of participants become more complex. Coordination delays such as ambiguous position, procedures, and responsibility contribute to a breakdown of the alliance. In addition, company needs to establish an effective structure for their ongoing. Insufficient level of control can restrict the security and efficient use of available resources. But on the other hand, excessive control over alliance activities can kill goodwill and benevolence between alliance that will have minimal independence to carry out their work. At very low rate of success, although some believe that strategic alliance has a very low rate of success, however, the benefits outweigh the risks, and if the phase are well followed by our IKEA, the success rate will be increased.
Okay guys, the next strategy that I would like to suggest to our company is doing franchising. Okay, the franchising is a continuing relationship in which a franchisor provides a license privilege to the franchisee to do business and offers assistance in organizing, training, merchandising, marketing and managing in return for a monetary consideration. The franchising is a form of business by which the owner, which is us as the franchisor of a product, service or method obtains distribution through affiliate dealers, which is mean the franchisees. So we can see we can gain many advantages by doing the franchising of our company. Firstly, the risk of our business failure is reduced by doing this. Our business, this business is based on a proven idea, which is our idea and concept of this company. And to prove this, we can see how successful other franchisees are going throughout the world today. Next, our product and services will have already established a market share. Therefore, there will be no need for market testing. So by doing this, we can reduce our cost for in market testing. Next, the expansion can be faster because franchisees provide the labor and their sales provide the growth. Okay, not only that, we can obtain also the franchisees are responsible for their company's success, so they are more motivated. In addition, franchisees may be not talent at growing the business and turning a profit that employees would be. Okay, not only that, we as the franchisor puts relatively little money into new location as this comes from the franchisees. Okay, last but not least, successful location like Philippines can return high royalty to us. That's all from me. I hope we can expand our company in the Philippines. Okay, that's all.